everybody. I have another foot for you. It's the gathering foot. Oh. The gathering foot or shirring foot for your sewing machine. If you're doing ruffles or you're gathering, this is definitely going to make it easier to get the gathers in your fabrics. I have actually done gathering without the gathering foot before I knew that it was actually a thing. So let me show you how you use this foot on your machine. Come on, let's go. Let's do it! That looks dumb. I'm a nerd. Anyway, let's go do it! Hi, here's what a gathering foot looks like close up. Ooh. With your gathering foot, you're going to need to remove the shank from your sewing machine. If your sewing machine came with a screwdriver and you know where it is, you should probably go get it now. And this one doesn't work with my sewing machine. Way to go, yay! Okay, but I have two, so I would just use this one. You just unscrew here, loosen it, and it should come, once the screw is out, it will come right out like that. Okay? Now put this where you're gonna be able to find it. That comment was more for me than it was for you. Then you can take your gathering foot here. Oops. Take your gathering foot and slide it. Oh my. Okay. Take the gathering foot and slide it up onto your machine here. I'm just going to keep on trying. You guys can probably go to the bathroom, have a snack, watch a movie. Okay, so there, I have it. Once I have my foot attached to my machine, I go ahead and I thread my needle. Then I start deciding what I would like to do with my fabric. I decided I wanted to go ahead and gather one layer first. So what I did was I increased the stitch length and I increased the tension all the way up. On my machine, this means that my tension goes all the way up to 9 and my stitch length goes all the way up to 5. And then I run my fabric through underneath the foot and it gathers really, really beautifully actually. I just wanted to make a note. You don't want to back stitch. Just say no, because you want to be able to change the length of your stitches once your ruffles are done. This way you can pull them out or tighten them to your liking. Oh my goodness, Nancy, look at how beautiful our gathers are. Yay! I wanted to show you one of my attempts in order to sew the two layers together. Remember, the fabric on the bottom is going to ruffle and the fabric on the top is going to stay flat. It can be very difficult to have the fabric move through the foot simultaneously while still being even. Sometimes the fabric wants to slip out from inside of the foot. Sometimes the fabric on the bottom doesn't want to take the fabric on the top with it. As you will see when I start here, one slips a little further than the other. My fabric got all discombobulated. It did not want to do what I was telling it to do. It was very much like my ornery children are sometimes. It was just a spicy disaster. I wanted to put myself in the naughty spot. But don't get discouraged. You can do this, and so can I. Now watch. As this fabric goes through beautifully, I manage to get the ruffles that I want. I become very overjoyed and happy and excited because I got to create all the ruffles on my layers, Nancy, and it made all the difference to me. I know you're excited to use this gathering foot because I was excited to use it. This is beautiful. And now all I would need to do is top stitch it. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed it. Come back again. I have more feet for you. Not my feet, but my sewing machine feet. Bye.